In this short guide, Diagnostic Tests, how to generate a short public assessment, edit its questions, and read the results.
A diagnostic is a compact version of a full test, 15 to 20 minutes instead of 3 hours. Pick the test type, choose the length, add your own title if you want one, and generate. PrepareBuddy builds the test, and a public link you can share immediately. Because it is short and public, a diagnostic is usually the first thing a prospective student ever does with your platform. Every generated question is yours to review. Open the test, read through the passage, check the answers and the explanations, and edit anything that is not right. On the analytics side, you see how many people started, how many finished, how many left an email address, and the level distribution across everyone who took it. Individual results can be downloaded as a PDF or emailed straight to the candidate.
Global settings apply to every diagnostic at once. Decide which visitor details are required, whether to verify the email address, and, this one matters, whether results appear immediately or after a delay you set in hours. And the public link is exactly what your candidate will see.
And that is Diagnostic Tests and PrepareBuddy. Get a demo at preparebuddy.com.